Hi there. Today I want to share with you what I do when my kids start coughing, and especially during school season. And I always reach out to this in my cabinet, this honey-based cough syrup, and it's something I feel comfortable just having within reach. This is honey-based, drug-free, and it feels like more a natural starting point before jumping on stronger medication. And the flavor actually goes down without a fight, which any mom knows is half of the battle. So it will help with dry, irritated cough and make things a little easier when there's mucus involved. So this is my go-to when my kids are sick. Thanks for watching.